Welcome to the Moro Pigeon Show! Welcome to the Moro Pigeon Show. I'm your host, El Moro. Join me to explore the pigeon's way. We'll learn and laugh day by day. All pigeons bring us pure delight, creations from the eternal one taking flight. Let's learn from them, both big and small, into the world of pigeons. Let's give our all. With every flap, a gentle friend in Moro's Pigeons world, where wonders never end. Through YouTube's glow, their beauty takes flight. A symphony of coos, a pure delight. Where the palm trees sway nearby, white doves paint the blue sky. A spectacle for every eye, their stories soaring by.
This is El Moro Pigeon Show. I am your host, El Moro. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is hot here in Florida. I have my birds loose since early in the morning. It's like it was almost dark, you know, and I let them out. And I have my friend Jeff is helping me with the new box that I'm making for a couple of powders that I have there. Guys, I haven't been doing videos for a long time because, you know, I'm breeding, man. Almost 300 whites this season. I stopped. I'm gonna separate, but I have them all. Look, I have these things everywhere because no more, man, too much. But I'm selling a lot to California, to South Carolina, to Houston, Texas. I just sent 10 birds to California, to New Mexico, New York just called me, everybody. So I'm gonna give you a little tour of what's going on. I got a new loft, I'm sure you guys seen it. This over here is gonna be for dark homers. I love dark homers. I like the antique homers. I'm gonna start racing. I've never raced before. I have pigeons since I was a little boy. I never liked racing for some reason. Maybe it's a work, man, because you know you gotta take them for a toss like 3 days a week, 80 miles, 100 miles, 50 miles, whatever. It takes a lot of time. I have a lot of work here. The clubs. Oh, I didn't want to deal with all that. But the one Loft race is beautiful. I take the bird there, I pay $150. I'll wait. The bird come back from 100 miles. I pay $500. If the bird wins, then I wait $350,000. That's the purse. That's the purse this year for February. So I got one bird. It's too much money. I have one bird at Big Andes International, and I have one bird at the biggest pigeon one love race in the United States, which is the Brito, my friend Brito, and it's called the Florida Pigeon Derby. Okay, so let me give you a little tour, man. My birds are just in the roof, in the tree. They come out whenever they want. They out the whole day. When I'm gonna call them in early today, you know, but they fly a lot, man. They route, they leave, they get like this in the sky. They come back, they chill. I'm cool with that. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, so let me see who came in of the dark ones, because I got some dark ones there. Let me see who came in of the dark ones. Okay, So here I have dark homers. Okay, this guy always come here. Here. Oh gosh, he's fast. Yeah, and I only got one hand. Come here. Wait, let me turn this off. I'm gonna get this guy out of here. Aha, got him. He always here because I put him here when he was a baby, and now it turns out that he just wanna come here all the time, man. But I want this for dark birds. I'm gonna take out some of the buchones out of here. The Spanish powders, that's like a 3-month baby. I'm selling her. It's really, really nice. Flyer. That one I gotta put it outside. I got some babies here from New York. Yeah, so that's from New York right there. And that one from New York in the back. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you the history of all of them, but I got some nice little homers here. And I'm gonna start tossing them in August. Okay? And and I made it, well, my friend made these boxes for me, really nice boxes. Okay, I haven't opened them yet, really. I just put a pigeon there, you know. See that? You can clean. And it's got the trays, you know. I gotta fix the trays. I gotta put a handle so I can pull them out. All right, got my red one there. Yeah, I'm not, believe me, all those eggs are plastic. That's my tippler, white tippler, came from Abraham. And this one is a Pakistani. It came from the friend of mine, Salar. He's like the best. This guy's the best with Pakistanis, man. And yeah, I have him here. And she's laid on plastic eggs. So anyway, I have some tippler mixed with homers here to mix with the Spanish powders. I'm gonna mix it with the Spanish powders. Okay, that's what I do. I do the primogenito. This bird right here, check him out. I went to the pet shop and I saw this bird. And I said, man, this bird looks nice. So I bought it, 15 bucks. So I called the number of the guy, the owner, and I say, look, man, I want to do the righteous thing. I know that people, this buchones people, the thief powders, they get birds and they take them and they don't even call the owner. So I say to him, I say, look, I'll be honest with you. I'll buy it for $15. You can come and I can give it back to you for $15. He said, yeah, I'm going next Sunday. Guess what? It never came. Why are y'all fighting? Wait, come here. No, you're not supposed to go there. That's a fake egg. That's my Spanish powders. You're not supposed to go there. Wait 1 second. Let me lock you up. And you're there by yourself. Let me lock you up. You flew enough already. All right. So I told the guy never came. So I put that bird right here for about a week. I saw his body language. His body language told me, I want to go in the loft. I want to go in the loft. So I just let him go. I say, if he leaves, he leaves. He go back to the owner. Guess what? He stayed. He stayed. So anyway, hey, this guy's a Chico. We raise him by hand. And guess what? He don't want to fly, man. You know, he's so spoiled. He goes on my shoulder, on my back. So I did the floor yesterday. You know, look how nice. That's pine. It's made of pine. It's called horse pellets. You guys know that. Anyway, I got these guys. I'm going to separate them, man. They all got fake eggs. They all got fake eggs. I'm waiting. You see how he bite my feet? Why you bite my feet? Ow. Why you bite my feet? You see this bird right here? You see this bird right here? He goes on my shoulder, on my head. You see? Why? Don't you know that tickles? Anyway, if you guys want them, call me. I'll sell them. Okay, so yeah, I got those two babies right there are wind. That's it, man. I'm separating all these guys. I got all guys. I got so many plastic eggs and eggs in there, man. I got these guys here. They think they think those eggs are gonna hatch. All right. Look at this guy. He brought all the woods over here. All the woods. Look at this. All right. No, you're not having babies. You neither. Don't even think about it. All right. So see the little baby. You see how you want to come? Who's? Oh, here's Boo Boo. Hey, Boo Boo. Come here, Boo Boo. Come here, Boo Boo. Where's your Boo Boo? Why she? Boo Boo, Boo Boo, oh, Boo Boo. You so horny. You so horny. You love me long time. Okay, that's it, Mama. Come here. Calm down. Anyway, so yeah. Let me go over here. Oh, wait a minute. I got it, because these birds right here, these two hens, they like getting married. See? Oh, well, this is closed. That's why she went in there. This is my really, really, really good buchon right here. All these guys. All these buchones are good. And here I got my friend Jeff. Jeff is like the best. I know he's modest. He's the best with homing pigeons, man.
Yeah.
He's the best with homing pigeons, this guy. So he's making me this. He's helping me. Thank you, Jeff.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, but that doesn't cut, man.
Yeah.
I have to put something there, right?
Yeah, I'll take care of it.
Oh, thank you,
Yeah,
man.
not done.
Yeah, no. Take your time, man. Look at this, guys. Hey, Jeff's been doing pigeons for a long time. He came from Ohio. Right, Jeff? And he had birds over there, and I like his mentality, because he don't think like this Florida homing pigeon people. You know, he's from up north. He's raising my whites. Some of my whites came back from how far, Jeff? 250?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, some of my whites came back from 250, 250 miles.
Some of them got eaten by the hawk.
Some got eaten by the hawk. But he, you know, he raises me. I only take my whites 38 miles. That's it. That's it. And this is my buchones right here. This is 18 onzas. Oh. He already flew today. A lot. There he goes again. He's a lover boy. Okay. I don't want to make this video too long, but all these guys right here, they are cocks. They are Spanish powder cocks. All these guys right here. They're good, man. They're flyers, they seduction, everything, you name it. And look, there's these guys in the tree. Watch this. This is a pigeon tree. They love it. They love it. They go there, you know, and they just go out, brrr, and back in, brrr, and back in. All right, man. No, Boo Boo, look. Boo Boo is following me everywhere. Come here, Boo Boo. Come here, Boo Boo. Come here, Boo Boo, Boo Boo. Come here, girl. Come on, girl. You're my girl, girl. Come here. You're my girl. She didn't want to go on my shoulder. But she followed me everywhere. Anyway, guys, so I am going to go live again or start recording again. Look at that bird, man. When I bring him in to feed them, because right now I just gotta drink some water and do my thing around here. All right, y'all. Be back. Look, that's my Spanish powder. That's el 18. That guy don't stop flying, man. He's a lover boy, big time lover boy. He's got a huge pout. He's flying with the, look at this, he's flying with the homers. He revolutionized all this. There comes one. Nope. All right. And they went out flying. Some of them. Look, this your Jones. Oh, they have an Abbott's bird flying with them. Look how fast they're going. Look at the Abbots. He's harassing them. He's harassing them. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look, see my Spanish powder is there with a big, huge pout. Look how he's flying with the homers. So don't tell me Spanish powders don't fly. They dumb. Look at this. Look how he's keeping up with the homers. Look. Okay, that bird left. So he's in no danger. Now he's going back to being a Spanish powder again. See how he like rolling. Spanish powders, they roll. Look. I hope I can see. I hope I'm recording this. Because I can't see nothing. There you go. All right. Okay, guys, I guess it's time to feed the birds. I'm going to show you something that I use. This is called kicking chicken. Man, this stuff is good. It's like a little oil, you put it on the food and you mix it. This is nutrition beneficial for energy and performance, rich in omega-3 and 6 essential fatty acids. So this is really, really good. Great for health, strong chicks. Ideal for energy during times of stress, such as molting, benefits digestion, immune system, and add vibrant color plumage. This is good. It's got a lot of good stuff. Fatty acids, crude fat. I'm not going to read all this. But you know what it is. Healthy coat, kicking chicken. So I put it on the food. That's what I do. I get a bucket right here. See? All right, so what I do is, watch. Put that food there. I put a lot of peanuts in this. I bought extra peanuts. And put in, they love these peanuts, man. They love it. Hope you can see good there. And I put like 2, right? And I put some extra soft flour too. I put a little oil. Okay, actually that's a lot. But I'm gonna put a lot more food. See, what happened was I fed them yesterday. Let me put a little more. Now I fed them the day before yesterday, and yesterday they were still having a lot of food in there. So you gotta mix it really good. You gotta mix it really good. That way all the seeds get oily. So yesterday I didn't feed them because I went there and they had a lot. So that means I gave them too much food the day before. So I didn't feed them at all yesterday. This morning when I went, there was no food at all. They ate it all. So they're not really that hungry. Let me see who's calling me. Hey Jaquan, I'm doing a video. How you doing, brother?
Hey, brother.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, real quick. if you need to call me back, it's fine. I just wanted to talk to you because Jacoby had an incident in class yesterday, and I wanted to talk to you about it.
Okay, let me call you back because I'm in the middle of a video right now. I'm gonna call you back in 5 minutes.
All right.
All right, man. Alright, that was one of my karate students. I have to call. But see how nice and shiny? That means that all the seeds got oil. I go all the way down, and then I bring it all the way up, and I like squeeze it, you know? And I got everything here, man. There's green pellet, peas, everything. It's got like 8 different seeds. 9 different seeds more because I have. All right. All right, I'm gonna feed my birds. I had this feeder made specially. You know, because I got too many birds. And it's heavy, man. This feeder is heavy. But I got so many birds, you know. Too many birds. I had a bird over here trying to eat. So now when I call them, hopefully they all come. I don't want to feed them too much because I don't want them to leave the food just like yesterday. It's weird. Sometimes they eat it all, sometimes they don't. And I don't have babies now. I only have a couple of babies there. I'm waiting, boy. I'm waiting till they grow up because I'm going to separate those guys. Oh my God. I still got to send 8 birds on Monday to Texas. I sent 10 birds to California. Man, I sent 10 birds to California on Monday. They got there on Tuesday. But meanwhile, I sent birds to Texas a couple of times, and it took 5 days for those birds to get there. And I'm not sending birds to Texas now because it's too hot. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave. You know? Somebody told me a while back, man, you're always selling bird, man. Guy was mad at me. I don't know who that was. You're always selling bird. Why do you always selling bird? Why? Because look, these birds eat. I got a lot of birds. They eat. I got to buy food for the birds, man. You know, yeah, I sell birds. Why not? How is that unrighteous to sell birds? People, man, they just don't have nothing better to do than criticize. You know, worry about their own lives because that's a lifetime job. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'm gonna feed the birds. Let's see if they come down. Vamos, 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 vamos. Let's see. Vamos, 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 vamos. Vamos, 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 vamos. more. Vamos, 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 vamos. See how big this thing is? Look how big this and it's heavy, man. It's a good workout, good workout. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Vamos, 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 vamos. Vamos, 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 vamos. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Vamos, 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 vamos. We got a lot of babies there. If you're wondering, I say vamos, vamos, vamos. That means in Spanish, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay? Or come on, come on, come on. Okay? All right, so let me see if they want to come down now. I got to move out of the way. Let me see. I got a lot out. They're going to come down because they're hungry. There they are. They go round and round. I'm gonna hide over here, see if they go down. I got a blue bar flying there. If they go down now, it's gonna look really pretty. Where'd they go? Okay, let me turn it off. Oh, there they go. Okay, let me see, let me see. Yeah, they want to go in the tree. That's okay. It's okay. See, I got a lot of babies, man. They know there's food in there. They hear them eating. They hear them there eating. They want to go eat, but I got a lot of babies. Those babies, they're renegades, man. They're rebellious. But I guess it's going down now. They're going down now. Now they're all there, see? Little by little. If I move, they're all going to go out. They're hungry. That's how you control pigeons, by food. These babies got too much energy, man. Especially with that kicking chicken that I'm giving them every day, man. And I also give them vitamins. I have this powder. I put probiotic, and then I have this yellow powder that is vitamins, electrolytes, and probiotics. Oh man, They have so much energy. If I just move from here, they go out flying again. Oh my gosh, I had to burn the cable. I hate that. See, they know they're not supposed to go on the cable, but there's little babies. They have a lot of bad habits, so I'm breaking them out of the bad habit little by little. Baby's coming down. If I move from him to go over there, he's gonna go flying. Oh, I still have a lot on the tree. Let's see what happens. Hey, they don't go up, they don't go down, they don't eat. Simple. Very simple. They learn that next time when I say vamos, 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 it means food, man. You gotta eat, man. Look at those babies. They don't know how to go down. That's so funny. They don't know how to go down. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I went on the cable. I don't want to go over there. See that guy right there? I educate these guys. I don't let them go on the cable. They'll go down. These babies are atomic, man. I got a blue bar there. Flying with them. Blue bar came down. Got that blue bar right there. Alright, that's it, man. Otherwise, I'm gonna be here all day. Look at this guy. Look at it. Now they're coming down. Oh, yeah. You saw that? These are babies. They're all babies. Very young. They're all youngsters. I call them babies. Pichones. Alright. So hot over here, man. Okay. I keep going down. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Otherwise, I'm gonna be here for a long time. Okay, so now I gotta feed these guys right here. See, they only left a few pellets. A few green pellets. That's okay. So let me go get the other one in here. Yeah, I'm gonna put a separation. God willing, I'm gonna put a separation on that loft. So I can separate the dark ones, because that's gonna be for dark ones. So let me do this. Yeah, they left a lot of green pellets there. Feed them less, they'll eat it all. Just a little bit of green pellet, not that much. Okay. Oh, me. All right. These guys, I feed them a little less. I don't have a lot of birds there. All right. Wait a minute, birds. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Now what I'll do, because they like to eat up there too, I close, because I think all the birds are in. Only one silver bird is in there that I'm going to get now. So what I'll do is I'll close this. Yeah. Then I open this right here. And they will climb up. See that? They like that. They like to eat there too. So they can eat there and they can eat here. The only thing with eating there is I have to sweep. I'll tell you why. I have to sweep. See, the food falls in there. And before night comes, I have to sweep. I leave it there because the birds eat it. But before night comes, I sweep because rats and stuff come. So when I sweep, no rats. Getting all that omega-3 and 6 and amino acids. Protein, all that stuff is in there. It's good stuff, good stuff. This baby I brought from New York, that chicken right there. And this first one right here, from New York. The second one over there, New York. I got 4 birds from New York. Really nice, I like them. Of course, I toss them soon. All right, guys, so as you can see, they're going in, you know. I got some little babies, youngsters. They like to stay out in the sun. And I got only, let me see, 1, 2, 3. I got 3 in the tree. All right, guys, hey. I've been here since early in the morning, man. It's past 12 o'clock. I gotta go in there and chill. Hey, you guys, man, take care of your pigeons, love your pigeons, and have a blessed day.